How to share Telegram group or channel link. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to share Telegram group or channel link. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure first that your Telegram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Telegram app. Once you have done that, simply open your Telegram app, and then, once you have opened it, make sure to click on the channel or the group that you want to share. So click on it, and then you may either click on the photo right here or to the name right here. So click on either of those two, and then the only way that I can think of if you're going to share the link of the channel or group is by clicking on edit found on the on the upper right corner of the screen. So click on edit right here, and then you may be able to see invite links right here. So click on invite links, and then you may click on share link or simply click on the link right here. And then as you can see, invite link copied to clipboard. And then let's say, for example, that you don't want this link. You may be able to click on create new link right here. And then you may type in the link name. You may also turn on request admin approval. You may turn on limit by period and limit by number of users. So click on create once you're done. And then you may copy this link once again, just like um, what we did before. You just simply press on it or click on share link right here. So that's it. That's how you can share Telegram group or channel link. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.